Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. It is December 18th, and I know what prompt I'm gonna do, but I have an idea of what I'm gonna do for my prompt. And then, yeah, so it's gonna be a continuation a little bit of yesterday's. So today is number 2, a goal that I've reached. And I said earlier in the month, no, let's wait for that one. Because there was a certain weight that I had given myself that I wanted to hit by the end of this year. As I've said, the weight is not my ultimate goal, but it is a way for me to have checkpoints and something to strive for. And so I'm giving myself, 30 pounds goals. And then when I get down to a new, when I hit that, then I give myself another 25 or 30, or kind of depending on, I guess, what where I'm at that point, as far as how much I need to lose and time frame and all that good stuff. So, like 2 months ago, I hit my last goal, and then today finally, no, it's been more than that. It's been like 3 months, because for the last month or so, I've been hovering within like 5 pounds of this goal. And it was a lot of ups and a little bit back down, and then up a little bit, and then back down a little bit more, and then back way up. I'm just like, come on. So, I finally hit it today. So, I didn't intend to do this one today, but it seemed very perfect since yesterday, which I apologize. I got that video posted late. I actually posted it this morning. Okay, so back to this. So what I want to do is, we had that image. I want to use this page here. We had that image of the oranges that I really absolutely love right here. And I think I want to use this just to cover that other page and just make it pretty. And then I want to do some sort of flippy-opening thing down below. That would be a place where I could open it and then do my journaling, and it wouldn't be open to just everything. So now, let's see. We have this image, and it is actually pretty. I wonder... you would open it and see that. I don't know if that's enough. Okay, so I'm going to pull this one out too. I love these two next to each other, but I really think this image is going to help balance out the amount of like orange tones in that right side image. So I'll definitely use the wreath for something else. Maybe with this one it'll go well with that one, maybe. And definitely we'll be putting this in the journal somewhere, even if it's just a decorated page with nothing special. Oh, this is the other one I was thinking it could be good just to use this one. So I'll pull this one out as well. And then I don't know that I really have anything else in here that's quite right. This is my Christmas wish to you, that you may okay, well, let me read this. Each day throughout the coming year, and find no cause for deep regret, nor shed a solitary tear. This isn't bad. This is like an old vintage Victorian times Christmas card from the New York Public Library. They're copyright-free images. Okay. Well, we have that already on the other page, so I don't think I want to do that. And then as far as backing it, possibly this. Okay, so let me pull that out then. Okay, this one's going to be a bit easy and simple today. If we have some time, if I have some time, oh, and we need a number 2, and I think I also want to pull maybe a quote from here again, because I think that it will help to tie in from the other page. So I guess we're gonna lose. If you're interested in these numbers, Elopa, and I have it linked down below if that's something that you wanted to find. Oh, I guess it's also here. So here is the information. This is after downloading it. It says for personal use only. So just know that before you download it, in case you wanted to use it for reselling, or, you know, in journals that you would resell. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get this sized, and I know for sure that I want this to be, yep, this will be really good. So I know for sure that I want this to be the counterpart. Yep, that's a really nice spread right there. So I'll go ahead and get this sized and glued down, and then I'll meet you back. All right, so I absolutely love this spread. I felt like yesterday was a little bit, both color and just a little bit much. So this is just making me feel so much better. I kind of almost don't really want to do anything else. But before we decide on that, let me, you know, I should have ripped these out too. Let me do this really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so all right, so I've got this one here. Let's just put all 3 of these down and just kind of take a look. Okay, so kind of what I'm thinking is this is definitely drawing your eye because it's very much brighter than everything else on the page. I'm not loving this, but at the same time, I could roll with it. I think I could do it. This one, okay, so right off the bat, I don't want 2 of the same, basically same image right next to each other, and I definitely don't want to cover this because that's the main feature for that page. So that's a no. Oh, kitty cat's crying. All right, so this one I'm kind of liking. It'll need to be knocked down. Let me mark there and there. And let me do that really quick. I think this one might be the one. I'm going to shorten the sides of this and then ink around it, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just kind of looking at this again. I'm almost wondering if I shouldn't have glued this one down the other way so that we could put this at the top. But you know what? It is what it is. I've got it this way now, so let's just work with that. I'm thinking I can just add, let's see, can't add, well, I guess I could. I was thinking if I wanted to do one of those little turny thingies. That is a technical term. To keep this shut. And then I also was thinking of backing this with some of that same packing paper color. Let's see, this one's not going to be quite big enough, but I've got plenty of it back here, so yep, maybe this one, which I didn't give myself enough room on the edges, so I will have to make the edges be even, and then I could have some at the top and bottom, which would help tie in over here what we did yesterday. Okay, so this is kind of growing on me, I guess. Not 100% perfect, but then again, neither was this. Or do I just leave this the way that it is? And I don't know that it needs to be attached to the page necessarily. Maybe it's paper clipped or something down here. Or what if I just do my journaling here? And then, yeah, okay, that's what I'll do. So this will be today's journal entry. And I've already inked around the number 2. So I think maybe we just nestle that in right here. And then I can stamp maybe down here. Okay. Let me just do that. And then we can use all this other stuff for, or, ooh, I just had another idea. I could maybe put some of this down here and have that be my, yeah, okay. Oh, it's always a fun ride, isn't it? Okay, so if this glue would work with me, that'd be awesome. There we go. Yeah, I was kind of, just now I was kind of thinking, why am I adding so much when I really don't need to? Just keep it simple. I love the way that this looks, right? So just keep it that way. Okay, so, but let me do this first. So I want to have it be about that wide. And yes, I do want kind of rough edges. So that's okay. Because I do want to still see some of this gray outside of the, I don't know that I need kitty cat teeth marks necessarily. I guess I'm the only one that knows what that is. Okay, so let's see what this looks like now. Do I do that or just leave it alone? I think I just leave it this way. I think this one's just going to be super simple today, guys. And then maybe tonight I will, well, I wanted to add something down here to kind of disguise some of this. So we can do that real quick. But I'm going to add the date right here. I think it'll nestle in right there really well. So what is today? December, well, if I held it the right direction. December. Okay. All right. Okay, so here is the date. A little bit closer up if you'd like to see. And then let me just right here so I don't forget. I'll just do it right in the middle. A goal. You reached. Okay. A goal I've reached. So I'll go ahead and just do my journaling there. And I'm not going to do any more on that side of the page. And I think that's just fine. So now I think I know the trim that I kind of want to use on the bottom. I like to keep my, these are from, I don't know, World Market, I think, but I got them on a really good deal. Next to nothing. actually. I love them for storing my trims and things. Keeps it nice and clean, organized. Okay, so I'm thinking I really like this trim. This is that, I don't remember where this one's from, but it's from one of our craft stores, maybe Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put this down here and kind of try and hide the fact that I don't normally cover the entire bottom of a page with this, but I think I'm just gonna try and hide the fact that I messed that one up a little bit. That there's no border. Okay, come on, glue. What are you doing now? I'm just gonna have problems with all my glue today, I guess. There we go. Okay. And very carefully, we will glue this down. Well, I think that's a nice little apron down there for this page. Okay, guys, this one might be a quick one, I guess. So, here's another look there, if you'd like to see that. Another look there. All right, well, I'm gonna call this one good, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.